So in this video, I'll be showing you how to fill in your business details under business information in Facebook business account or Meta business account. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload the next video. So if you have been following my video, you understand that I have made videos on how to create your Meta business account or Facebook business account. But after creating the account, there are a number of things to do, which includes verifying the account, which I have done video for it. But in this video, I'll be showing you how to fill in the business details. As you can see it here, you have business details under business information. Okay, and we are using this Dove Tom Brown business account. This BA means business account as a case study to show you how this is done. So you have legal business name, as you can see, no name. You see address, as you can see, no address. And then you see business phone number, as you can see, no phone number. Website, no website. You see tax ID, you see no tax ID. So which means that these business details are not filled. And it is still part of the business account verification. If you have a business account, it is only expected that you fill in the business details. Okay, because that business details you filled in is part of the business verification. So if you come down here, you see business verification status. Okay, so let's focus on what we came for. Now, if you want to do that, the easiest way and the best place to do it is on your ads manager application. Your ads manager application, I'll be doing a video to show you the apps that must be on your phone as a small business owner. There are some apps you must have that will make the life easier for you. If you try to do this on Facebook app, you will not succeed. The easiest way and the best place to do it is on your ads manager suite or app. So let's go there. So we are here on the app manager. Okay, in case you don't know how it looks, this is it, Meta Ads. You click on it. This is Meta Ads. Okay, so when you come here, as you can see, this is a ad account for Duvlin Obona. This is the ad account, and that is the person my client I'm working with currently, and I have promised to use every work I am doing at the back end here to show those who feels um who wants to learn how to do it, because I don't want to work for small business owners that cannot afford my charges. So what I do is that if I know you cannot afford my charges, I will do videos to show you how to do it. So you'll be able to learn how to do it and do it yourself, because I don't promote or encourage small business owner that doesn't have budget to be hiring services. I encourage them to learn it and do it themselves. So the only time we are permitted to hire services is when you want to buy time to do more other things, or when you have the budget. I mean, if you don't have the budget, you have to have time. If you don't have money, you should have time to learn. So let's go into it. You come here and click on settings. I'm sure you see the settings here. Then you come to payment. I hope you see payments. Click on payment. And then when you click on payment, you come down here and click on business info. You can watch the video again to see what I was clicking. When you come to business info, you see tax information. You see tax information, you see currency and time zone, you will see business name. Then let's continue. As you can see that billing country or region, we have done that, which is Nigeria. Currency is in Naira. Time zone, you have seen it there, GMT +1 Lagos time. Then business name. Now, her business name is Dove, Dove Foods, so that you can also have opportunity to produce other foods that may not only be for babies. So Dove Foods, you understand? Now that's the business name. I have a business address here. Let me paste it here. The business address is here. Business address, put it here. If you have address too, you don't have, you leave it. So the city there or town is, I think we call Monkey Village. Monkey Village. Monkey Village. Lagos. Monkey Village. Lagos. Then the state is Lagos State. Lagos. Okay. So the zip code you're going to put here is zip code for this her area, or you can call it um postal code. So the postal code is 102 102. Okay. Now let me quickly show you how to get postal code, because I know that you want to know. So I will show you now. Postal code for any zip code and postal code are the same thing. So for any location where you are, okay, I'll use the way I get her own and show you how to get to your own. So if you want to get postal code or zip code, you just, when you come to Google like this, you will just type um postal code postal code for Monkey Market. You put your own area, Monkey Village, yeah, Monkey Village, Lagos. So anybody in that area is 102. So they have 102, 10, like this one now. Her own now is in Dolphin. That is Amuwo, Dolphin, Amuwo. I'm not a Yoruba person, but the people in Yoruba knows this particular area, you know. Now they are 102. So 102 is for that local government, 102. So they have 102, 100, 102, 101, 102, 102, 102, 103. Like if you can look at here, you see 101, 102, 101, 102, 102, 102, 103, 102, 104. You understand? So yeah, but even if you put 102, once you put 102, any other three number you put there, it will still serve. It's not your problem. But her own is 102, 102. I'm sure you have understood it now. So let's get back and complete our process. So her own is 102, 102. Then the VAT ID is optional, so you leave it when you don't have VAT. That is for tax. But what this VAT does is that Facebook will not be deducting tax. So you come here, say advertising purpose, leave it. Yes, I am buying ads for business purposes. Leave it like this. Then you are done with the filling the bit. So this is basically how to fill in your business information. And when you are done, you say saved. So when you save it like this, you now go back there again to notice that all the information are filled. They are filled. Then when you now go back here, you notice that they will not be, informations will be there properly. So this is how to fill in your business information or business details in Facebook business account or Meta business account as part of your business account verification process. This is very important. Now, it is when you are now serious minded and brand conscious about your business that this thing will matter to you. But if you are just someone who just boost ad that and then you will not know that there are a lot of things that you will not be able to do because you have not actually been able um to fill in to they are not yet serious. Facebook will not take you serious. And sometimes people say my account is restricted, my account is suspended. All this is because they are suspecting you. Suspension is as a result of suspicion. When Facebook suspects you, they suspend you. Just look at it that way. And if they suspect you and suspend you and you still did not want to provide information, maybe you don't even know what they are suspending you for, you still want to forcing yourself, they will now ban you. You understand? So, the account will now be permanently. There's temporary suspension and permanent, restriction. So, because you don't know what you're supposed to do, they want to verify you. Their identity verification, their business verification, their phone number verifications, there are email verifications. It's just to ensure that you have even image verification to see that everything about you are in line with your business, so that there's no fraudulent. You are not a fraud. You are not a. There's no fraudulent activities going around with your business. Remember that business pages is where transactions go on, where business go on. So whoever that is the face behind the business has to provide the person's identity to verify that you own this business, and then people are safe doing business with you in this our platform, because the platform you are doing business is not your own. The platform is Facebook's own platform. So the Facebook provided policies and community guidelines. And if you don't want to learn how to put these things in place, you will be having problem with the landlord who owns this particular Facebook environment. You don't obey their community rules and their policies, there's advertising policies, which I know you don't read them, you don't even know what they are talking about. Subscribe to this channel, turn notification bell icon. I will be bringing those knowledge to you in the most clear term possible. All you have to do is to like my videos, comment on the comment section, subscribe to the channel, turn notification bell icon. Tell me in the comment section that you are getting value from my videos, and ask me questions and tell me the next video you want me to make, and I will go ahead and I will make the video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.